Welcome second year BSc student. This is course number MTH 301 Calculus of Several Variable and video number 1. Unit number 1 Function of 2 and 3 variables, and this video contains limit of function of 2 variable. Dear friend, first subscribe my YouTube channel PV Patil. Function of 2 or more variable. Consider a function f from R cross R to R. Then f associate every point xy, order pair xy. R cross R contain order pair xy in xy plane with a unique real number z and related to unit real number z parallel to z axis is called a function of two variable x and y. It is written as z equal to function of x and y. Function f from R cross R to R. Here x and y are independent variable and z is dependent variable. Next, definition of limit. Limit of function of two variable. Let f of xy is function of two variable. The limit of function f of xy as xy tends to ab is said to be L if for given epsilon greater than 0 there exists delta greater than 0 such that mod of f of xy minus L less than epsilon for 0 less than mod of x minus a less than delta and 0 less than mod y minus b less than delta. Then we say that we can write down as limit as xy tends to ab of f of xy equal to L. Means here limit as xy tends to ab means difference between x and a is less than delta and difference between y and b is also less than delta, and if difference between fx and L is less than epsilon, delta and epsilon are very small number, then we say that limit of xy tends to ab of f of xy equal to L. Difference between x and a, difference between y and b is very small number, and difference between fx and L is also very small number, then we say that limit of f of xy equal to L. By using this definition, evaluate some examples. First one. Example 1. Show that limit of xy tends to 1 to of 3x plus 2y equal to 7 by epsilon delta definition of limit. Now here given limit of xy tends to 1 to, therefore assume that x minus 1 is less than delta and y minus 2 is also less than delta. X minus 1 less than delta and y minus 2 also less than delta. Now find the difference between 3x plus 2y minus 7. Find out this difference. So for that, first squaring both sides, therefore x minus 1 square is less than delta square, and here y minus 2 square is also less than delta square, squaring both sides. Therefore we get mod of x minus 1 equal to, now we know modulus means square root of x minus 1 square, which is less than square root of x minus 1 square plus y minus 2 square. This value is bigger than this value because here this value contains two terms and this is a single term. Now x minus 1 square is delta square and y minus 2 square is also delta square. Square root of delta square plus delta square is square root of 2 delta square, means this is root 2 and root delta square is only delta. So mod of x minus 1 is less than root 2 delta. Similarly find out mod of y minus 2. Mod of y minus 2 equal to square root of y minus 2 square. This value is less than square root of x minus 1 square plus y minus 2 square is equal to square root of x minus 1 is delta square, y minus 2 is delta square equal to square root of 2 delta square is root 2 into delta. Mod of x minus 1 is less than root 2 delta, mod of y minus 2 is less than root 2 delta, and therefore consider difference between 3x plus 2y minus 7. Therefore modulus of 3x plus 2y minus 7 equal to, write down this 7 as minus 3 minus 4. So 3x minus 3 plus 2y minus 4, minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. Now by triangular inequality separate into two modulus which is less than or equal to. First modulus is 3x minus 3 plus second modulus is mod of 2y minus 4. In the first modulus 3 common, in second modulus 2 common. So is equal to 3 into modulus of x minus 1 plus 2 into modulus of y minus 2. Therefore is equal to 3. Now modulus of x minus 1. Now we know modulus x minus 1 is equal to root 2 delta plus 2 into modulus y minus 2 is root 2 delta. So 3 plus 2 is 5 root 2 delta. Therefore modulus of 3x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 5 root 2 delta. Assume that delta equal to epsilon upon 5 root 2. Therefore we get, put the value of delta is epsilon upon 5 root 2. So this is equal to only epsilon. Therefore modulus of 3x plus 2y minus 7 is less than epsilon, and therefore limit of xy tends to 1 to of 3x plus 2y is equal to 7 is required solution. Next example number 2. Show that limit of xy tends to 2 3 of xy equal to 6 by epsilon delta definition of limit. First one, limit of xy tends to 2 3. So assume that mod of x minus 2 less than delta and mod of y minus 3 less than delta. Mod of x minus 2 less than delta, mod of y minus 3 less than delta. Squaring both sides, so we get x minus 2 square less than delta square and y minus 3 square less than delta square. Therefore, write down modulus of x minus 2 equal to square root of x minus 2 square, which is less than square root of x minus 2 square plus y minus 3 square, because this square root contains 2 term and here this square root contains single term. So this is a small value, this is a big value, so less than symbol. Now is equal to square root of x minus 2 square is delta square and y minus 3 square is also delta square. Delta square plus delta square is 2 delta square equal to root 2 delta. Therefore mod of x minus 2 is less than root 2 delta. Similarly find the value of y minus 3. Mod of y minus 3 equal to square root of y minus 3 square, which is less than square root of x minus 2 square plus y minus 3 square. X minus 2 square is less than delta square, y minus 3 square is less than delta square, equal to square root 2 delta square root 2 delta. And therefore now consider modulus of xy minus 6. Consider modulus of xy minus 6 equal to modulus of xy. Then add and subtract 3x plus 3x minus 3x and minus 6. Now by apply triangular inequality, separate into two modulus. In first less than or equal to, first modulus is modulus of xy minus 3x plus second modulus is modulus of 3x minus 6. Now here taking x common, so equal to mod x into in other mod y minus 3 plus here 3 common 3 and modulus of x minus 2. Mod of x minus 2 less than delta. Given mod of x minus 2 less than delta, first assume that delta equal to 1. So mod of x minus 2 equal to 1. Mod of x minus 2, assume that delta is 1, so equal to 1. Now mod of x minus 2 is 1. Therefore minus 1 less than x minus 2 less than plus 1. Now adding plus 2 from each term, therefore minus 1 plus 2 less than x less than 1 plus 2 plus 1 less than x less than 3. Means value of x is in between 1 and 3. So assume that x equal to 2. So put the value of mod x is 2 here. Mod x equal to 2. So 2 and mod of y minus 3 is less than root 2 delta plus 3 and mod of x minus 2 is again less than root 2 delta. So this is 2 plus 3 is 5 root 2 delta is equal to 5 root 2 delta. Assume that delta equal to epsilon by 5 root 2 is equal to epsilon. Therefore modulus of xy minus 6 is less than epsilon, and therefore by definition limit of xy tends to 2 3 of xy is equal to 6 is the solution of given limit. Dear friend, subscribe the channel and click on bell icon and share to our friend. Thank you.